the LG V20 user here, and today I will be reviewing YouTube Premium, guys. So I've been using this premium version of YouTube for like a couple of days now, and so far it's great. So I'm gonna give you guys what I think about it and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is really cool. So yeah, what you guys get with YouTube Premium, formerly known as YouTube Red, that you guys get ad-free videos, so that's a win. Downloads, background play, and YouTube Originals, as you guys can see right here. And you know, it's a win. I like it a lot so far. It's great not to have ads play before the videos. I kind of like the download features, so you can download videos and watch them later. But the reason why I don't like that feature is because someone can download your video and then upload it to the channel, which I don't like that at all, and I recommend you guys don't do that. Just download the video and watch it later, whatever. Don't upload it on your channel. So, and background play is you know, watch YouTube videos on your phone, and you could hit the home button and it will play in the background. You guys will get a YouTube icon with the video, and you guys can play it in the background while you do other stuff on your phone or tablet, whatever, right? And YouTube Originals have like TV shows and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys are opt for YouTube Premium, you guys will see Premium right here. So you guys will be seeing this, and you guys will see Originals right here. So you click on Originals. I'll show you guys that here, and I'll have a whole different bunch of stuff that I'm sure most of y'all had never heard of. I personally had never heard of these, so they're just giving you, you know, showing you what they are, recommendations. Like I said, I never heard of these shows or nothing. They got comedies, they got documentaries, sci-fi and fantasy, family, dramas, reality, all movies, all series. So just click on the plus arrow and it'll give you guys a preview, and you guys can, you know, hover over one hover over the art thing or whatever, and you guys can see a preview of what it is and tell you how many seasons it has, and you can view seasons and all that good stuff and watch it and all that if you guys want to check this stuff out. Like I said, I never heard of this stuff. I'm sure most of you guys have never heard of it either, so don't feel bad. You guys have this on your thing here, and you also have YouTube Music on your YouTube app on your phone. So if you guys want to do that, and you guys have purchases, so click here. If you guys, once you guys get Premium, you guys will get the Originals tab and the Purchases tab here. And as you guys can see right here, I have YouTube Premium free with Play Music. So I have Google Play Music, and I recommend that you guys get it like that as well. I know everyone loves music, so why not get Play Music and get YouTube Premium, both included for $9.99 a month for an individual and $14.99 a month for a family up to 6 members for Play Music there. So I have Play Music, so that's how it's all one price, so it's a definite win. So if you guys get YouTube Premium, you guys might as well get Play Music and pay $9.99. It's not bad for $10 a month. I think it's worth every freaking penny and more, because you get ad-free videos, offline play if you download the videos, background play, YouTube Originals, and all that. And you can manage your purchases and refunds there. If you're new to YouTube Premium, you guys can get a 3-month trial for a limited time. So check that out if you guys are new. If you guys have YouTube Red before it changes over to YouTube Premium, keep paying the I think it's $10.99 for YouTube. It was $10.99 for YouTube Red. I think it was $10.99 just for YouTube Red. It's $10.99 for that. But if you guys get the Play Music subscription with it, it's $9.99 for one person. So do it that way, and it'll save you a couple bucks a month. And that's what I do here. Play Music is awesome. And you guys can get a family plan on the YouTube Premium as well. I think it's like 18 bucks for that, or something like that. If you're new to YouTube Premium, after the trial it'll be $11.99. So keep that in mind. YouTube Music is $9.99. So yeah, so you'll have that there. Go to your channel icon here, click on the paid memberships here, and you guys will have this feature. If you guys have YouTube Premium or Play Music with the YouTube Premium service, so you guys will have this. This is what I have, obviously. Basically self-explanatory, guys. Ad-free music and videos, background play, downloads, plus access to all YouTube originals. Basically self-explanatory there. It says save money with YouTube Premium family plan, up to 6 family members, $18 more a month. Learn more about that. So if you guys have a family or whatever and you guys want to get them on this, it's worth it. Get them the Play Music thing, and it'll be 15 bucks because you get YouTube Premium included with your Play subscription. As you guys can see right here, build through Play Music. So yeah, and I use the Google Play cards. Obviously, just use that. You know, basically self-explanatory there. You know, you get what you get right there. Any video that you guys will play, you guys will not get ads. Doesn't matter if the person has ads on their videos or not. I don't have ads on my videos because I don't get paid to do YouTube, so you guys will never see ads on my videos because I don't get paid to do YouTube, so y'all guys will never see ads on my videos no matter what. Maybe I'll get paid. Maybe I will think about getting paid for YouTube later on, but right now you guys don't see ads on my videos. Y'all guys have never seen ads before, and you know. So yeah, you guys don't never see ads on my videos. So yeah, and you click on the little the YouTube apps button, you guys will see YouTube Music right here. That's also included in your subscription to YouTube Premium as well. So that's also included in that. So you know, that's a win. If you guys don't want to Play Music and you guys want to get YouTube Premium, YouTube Music is included in your subscription to YouTube Premium. So it's all tied together, all on one email. No hassles, no headaches, or nothing like that. It's all tied to your Gmail. So yeah. So I have YouTube Music on that as well. I don't use that though because I never tried it, but I personally like Play Music better. I think it's the best streaming music service in my opinion. But yeah, you know, on your phone, on your YouTube app on your phone, you guys will see on the home page YouTube Music and Originals and all that, and you guys can download videos and stuff like that. Very much self-explanatory, guys. Is don't download other people's videos and upload them to your channel. Don't do that. Don't steal people's videos. Do not steal people's videos. Don't do that. Make your own videos. If you guys want to learn from someone's video, that's cool. But don't take their video and upload it onto your channel. Don't steal people's videos. Learn from the videos. Learn from the videos and get inspired and do it your own way and give it your own opinion, thoughts, and review, or whatever the case may be. Do it your own way. Don't steal people's videos. So Yeah, I kind of like the downloads feature, but then again, I kind of don't like that because of that reason. People can steal your videos. I don't like that at all, and no one on YouTube likes that. So, download videos. Do it for fun. Don't steal people's videos. Don't do that, because you would not like if someone stole your video. So don't do it. So, yeah, man. You can learn more, obviously, by each plan, basically. What I just told you there, and this is a family plan up to 6 people. Learn more, obviously, here. Save money with a family membership, and tell you guys what you guys get with that. Basically, what I just told you guys: ad-free and offline, YouTube Music Premium, YouTube Originals, ad-free, and you must on any connected enabled device like a TV, your smartphone, desktop, whatever. Download and go. Background play. A lot of people like that, so you can play your game and listen to YouTube videos. YouTube Originals, YouTube Music will appear. If you guys got questions, check out these frequency ask questions, or check out the help center on YouTube there. Yeah, I like YouTube Premium a lot. I really do. This is my first time ever using it. It's great, and I recommend that you guys do it. Get the YouTube Premium. Get it through the Play Music application though. One price, 2 services. Great way to do it. So yeah, if you guys are current subscribers of the YouTube Red subscription service, or it was called YouTube Red, now it's called YouTube Premium. You guys get to pay the current price. YouTube Red by itself, it was $10.99 for one person. Now it will be $11.99 for new users. Keep that in mind. But if you guys want to save a few bucks a month, get the Play Music subscription. That also includes your YouTube Premium subscription. That's included for $9.99 a month for one person. And if you guys do a family plan on the Play Music, it's $14.99 for up to 6 people on Play Music, and that also includes your YouTube Premium subscription as well. Do it that way, guys. Music is great. Everyone loves music. I don't know who don't like music, but if you don't like music, something's wrong with your ass. But hey, I'm saying, yeah, man, YouTube Premium is great. I have nothing bad to say about it. It's great. No ads ever. Downloads, I kind of like that feature, but then again I kind of don't, because people can download videos and steal your videos. The YouTube Originals, I haven't checked that out, but and the background play is awesome. Like I said, you can do something else. You can play a game while you're listening to YouTube videos. That's a win. So yeah, guys, let's basically recap again, guys. If you guys had YouTube Red before they changed the name to YouTube Premium, you guys get to pay the current rate, which is $10.99 for YouTube Red for current customers. New customers, it's $11.99 for YouTube Premium. If you have the Play Music subscription included with your YouTube Premium, that's $9.99 a month for one person. That's what I have. I recommend that you guys do that route, because hey, get 2 services for one price for $10. It's worth it. Play Music and this for $10. It's worth it, guys. It's worth it. No regrets whatsoever. It's worth it. It's worth it. So do that. You can also get a family plan on the Play Music or the YouTube Premium, or YouTube Music Premium, whatever one you want's up to you. But I recommend you guys get YouTube Premium, guys. There's no ads, background play, offline play, downloads, YouTube Originals. If you guys want to check that out. Yeah, guys. I'm just saying, guys. If you guys download videos, don't upload those videos to your channel unless it's your own video. Obviously, it's your video. Do what you want with your video. But if it's someone else's video, don't upload it to your channel. Don't do that. Don't steal people's videos. Don't do that. So, yeah, that's all pretty much it there, guys. That's pretty much self-explanatory there for YouTube Premium. It's pretty much self-explanatory after videos, downloads, YouTube Originals. You know, it's great. So that's pretty much it there, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.